Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put a white border around an image in Photoshop for 2A. Step 1. Elliptical marquee tool, hold shift, click and drag it. Layer mask line, right click on your mouse. Rasterize the layer. Hold shift for fix resize. Then go to Apex, select stroke and stroke color white. See this border outside, inside, center as a wish. Okay, see this size. Step 2, see this image. Apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.